If you find yourself banned from Agoda, you may want to appeal the decision. This guide provides a straightforward process to help you navigate the appeal. Step 1. Review the ban notification. Carefully read the email or notification you received regarding your ban. Understand the reasons provided for the ban, as this will help you address them in your appeal. Step 2. Gather supporting evidence. Collect any relevant information or documentation that supports your case. This may include booking confirmations, communication with customer service, or any other evidence that demonstrates your compliance with Agoda's policies. Step 3. Write a formal appeal. Impose a clear and concise appeal letter. Start by stating your account details, followed by a respectful request for reconsideration. Include the reasons you believe the ban is unjust and attach any supporting evidence you gathered. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Send your appeal to Agoda's customer service or the designated email address provided in the ban notification. Ensure that you follow any specific instructions regarding the submission process. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider following up with Agoda's customer service. Be polite and inquire about the status of your appeal to show your continued interest in resolving the issue. In conclusion, appealing a ban on Agoda requires careful attention to detail and a respectful approach. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of having your account reinstated.